you're seeing this video, it means we didn't make it out.
See you in 5 days, car. Molly, are you ready? All right, let's go. Night number 1, we successfully made craft dinner. We hung our food from the bear pole, and we went snorkeling. Not really snorkeling, we just went swimming with goggles. And Molly is already asleep. Anytime now. Come on. All right, Molly. Day 4. Give us a rundown.
Okay, guys, it's Molly here. We're going for a jog.
What are we doing today, Griffin?
We are going to the grotto, where Taylor hopes to find some snacks.
Not gonna lie, that's what we're hoping for.
We're hoping that it doesn't rain again, like it did all last night.
And we're gonna do lots of swimming.
Lots of swimming.
And that is
That's where the bear lives.
The bear cave. Molly has slightly ventured in. We stopped her. The rest of us are too scared. Oh, and here's our tent, which got rained on all night. And everything that is wet from the rain. All right, Molly, you ready? Come on, let's go. How long are we into the hike?
Really long.
Really long, Molly! Molly!
Let's go. Oh my gosh, it's like
Oh no, we did not bring charger.
It's been like 3.5 hours.
Nice.
We are like 11 kilometers out.
And
we started on the other side.
we think the grotto is just on the other side of that little jut out. But we've thought that for a while.
In the beautiful, calm waters.
Yes, it's so relaxing, and Molly's excited. Right, Dad? All right, let's roll. Oh, he left us. Come on, Molly. Headed back to the car. We had a little bit of rain the other day, but other than that, it was a good trip. And we just went swimming.
Woo!
Woo! Molly, come here! Woo! Molly has had so much fun. She's not ready to go back to normal life. Right, Mama?